How to kick someone out of your private server on Roblox. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily kick out someone from your private server on Roblox. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, go ahead and open up your private server. So go ahead and click on this play option. So once you load up your private server, what you are going to have to do is simply go ahead and click on the Roblox icon on the top left corner. Simply click on this, and you'll be able to see a list of all of the people right here in this experience. So if you are the owner of the server, you will have an option to remove them from your server. As you can see, it's not my server, so I only have an option to add them as my friend. But if you are the owner, you'll find the remove player from this option right here, right besides here. So you'll be able to remove them from your server without any problem. So as you can see here, I'm only able to move around and then add the people as my friend. But if you are the real owner of the server, you can remove them from here.